I guess if I look back 30 years to my goals and objectives then, where we are today blows me away.
Kerfab's a manufacturing facility in Kerang. Started back in '93.
Dad had a desire to be where his father was, and Kerang, I guess, provided a bit of an opportunity where he could set up something totally different in a totally different industry to what he'd been in with his brother, one of the founders of the business, who's actually first cousin. So it's a bit of a family outfit. He started the business with my father.
And I guess I wanted to facilitate my boys into a business opportunity that would provide for them and their families moving forward. I had a sales background. Stuart had an engineering background. So we thought if we could combine those two virtues, we could probably do something.
We bought one loader, so I pulled all that apart, drew it all up, got our first order and built the first one and went from there. Obviously we've gone into different markets. Back then it was only the ag sector. Then telehandlers came, we went into that market.
And as times evolved, we've approached these bigger OEMs, your Hitachis, Komatsus, Westrac, William Adams, and we've been able to fulfil a need in bespoke supply of equipment.
I think it's obviously a very well-known brand now. I think generally looked on as a quality product.
There's no substitute for experience, is there?
Nowadays, with our engineering capabilities, we can do all that design work, testing on the computer, whereas back when we first started, we were just doing everything by hand.
Machinery utilisation is absolutely paramount. Obviously, technology has increased and enhanced out of sight, so we need to be at the top of our game.
Proper spray booth, proper sandblasting booth, everything's prepped properly. We have come a long way in the quality end.
Every year we saw an increase in what we were doing. We saw fresh opportunities, and that was really from day one when we started. We've grown with the business.
Improve all the time. Innovation through teamwork. I think that really underlies everything we do here.
We've really tried to put something here that's giving opportunity employment-wise. I think we've complemented Kerang by providing what we have.
We've tried to produce a product that is easy to use, it's durable, and it looks good. All these things have to be taken account in the engineering side of things, and I think we've achieved that.
We're working with some of the biggest companies in the world like Caterpillar and Komatsu and Hitachi, and we're a meaningful contributor to their whole machinery sale process. And that gives me great joy, it gives me great satisfaction.
Probably one of the most rewarding parts I find in the business is to be able to establish a relationship and stay with it, with your customers.
When I think of the simplicity of the products that we produced in the beginning, and I see now what where we've advanced through, I get a lot of pleasure out of that.